Good morning, Mr. Garcia.
Officers were advised that two suspects were trying to rob the store, one with a handgun and in a wheelchair. The officer observed the male matching the description inside the business, and the defendant turned as if he was going to leave. The officer asked the defendant if he had any weapons on him, and the defendant stated he did not have any weapons and that he was confused as to what was going on. The defendant agreed to the officer patting him down for weapons and immediately began reaching into his pockets, claiming he was going to retrieve his wallet. The officer observed the defendant to have an unholstered black handgun on the right side waistband tucked between his shorts, and the defendant claimed the handgun was his sister's, was borrowed for safety, and the holster was in his sister's car.
So you said they were robbing the place and
He was reported to be involved in a robbery, and that's what the officer was.
they charged
They charged him with, no, just the possession of PCS and then the unlawful carry.
for on felony probation. You've now picked up a case with us and you have a felony possession case. So
They allegedly had two suspects, but the officer only made contact with the one defendant.
you're not to be in possession of any weapons, no alcohol, no drugs. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, do you need a lawyer appointed to you today?
Yes. I'm getting one, but not right now.
I can
So yeah.
now if you want.
Okay.
Don't pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my community, Mr. Garcia, because I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to protect
I was buying a phone.
Stop. Don't say anything. Just, I want you to know that I'm going to protect my community at all costs. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what happened. I wasn't there. We got to wait for the evidence to come in. That's going to show us whose side is correct. I don't know. We'll get there. But just while you're out there in the free world, make the right moves. Because if I see you making wrong moves, I have only one place for you. You understand? Can you reach out to the Mac for Mr. Garcia, please? All right. So for now, I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get with Ms. Smith for your bond conditions. And then I'll have you take a seat in the jury box, please.
Stacey, are you ready on yours? Yes,